Hold on to your seats. Things are about to get seriously intense. We're unleashing machines that redefine powerful, chainsaws that laugh in the face of danger, and wood processing pushed beyond the red line. Fastest, biggest, relentless. Brace yourselves. Whoa! Check out the Posh SmartCut 700 in action. This automatic firewood saw is a game changer. A 28-inch Whittier blade? That's serious cutting power. It chews through logs up to 8 inches in diameter and almost 4 feet long. Imagine cranking out 4 to 8 cubic meters of firewood per hour. That's insane efficiency. Weighing in at around 2,100 pounds, this thing is built to work. For about $20,000, this could be the ultimate firewood production machine. What do you guys think? Worth the investment? Okay, I'm officially impressed by the Hockey Pilky 25. This isn't your grandpa's wood splitter. The portability is insane. Towing with an ATV opens up so many possibilities. A 13 horsepower gas engine that's fuel sipping? Yes, please. Hydraulic system means less hassle and more splitting time. Processing logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 16 inches long? That's serious capacity for a compact machine. And a conveyor belt is just smart. Used price around $14,000. Anyone else considering upgrading to one of these? Step into the future of lumber processing with the MEBORHTZ1200PLUS. We're talking cutting-edge tech designed for maximum efficiency and precision. Process massive logs, up to 47 inches in diameter, and achieve incredible throughput of 45 to 65 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, all powered by smart automation. Features like rapid return, auto control to prevent operator delays, and servo-controlled blade positioning showcase the advanced engineering inside. Ready to bring your sawmill into the 21st century? The HTZ1200PLUS is your high-tech solution. Looking for a wood-cutting beast? Meet the LogCut MCS 40 Profit Pack. This thing is insane. 3 high-powered circular saws slice through logs in parallel with pinpoint accuracy. Speed? We're talking lightning fast. Flexibility? Change cutting config in just 30 seconds. From approximately 10 inches to approximately 20 inches. Need power? 80 to 110 horsepower will chew through 25 plus cubic meters of wood per hour, handling logs up to 10.4 inches thick. Smart loading, outfeed conveyor, debris filter, they thought of everything. And for stationary setups? Check out the 74 horsepower electric static pack. Faster, more precise, more efficient? Yes, please. Now that's what I call a firewood processing. This isn't your grandpa's wood chopping setup. With a tractor engine powering it all, the Balfour Shark 700 Expert Puss saw ripping through logs, and a 16-ton splitter doing the heavy lifting. It's pure efficiency. And the conveyor belt? Genius. You can see the investment in quality machinery here, and it's paying off big time in terms of output. This is the kind of system to aim for. No more aching backs after a day's work. Well, they're all smiles with their toys, but I don't think those are the machines we should be messing with. Way faster than I thought it would go. Lots of force at play. Efficiency and expertise on full display. This style MS462 beech tree felling video is textbook perfect. Observe the clean cuts and controlled drop. That's what professional logging looks like. No wasted motion, just pure, calculated technique. If you're in the forestry business or just appreciate skilled work, this is an excellent example. All right, I'm intrigued and slightly terrified all at once. This homemade wood splitter, is it genius or just plain nuts? I'm leaning towards a bit of both. I mean, it's definitely doing the job, and props to the builder for making this thing a reality. But, about that safety, are we just gonna ignore the fact that this looks like it was built in someone's backyard with spare parts and a prayer? Imagine effortlessly splitting firewood from the comfort of your excavator cab. No more swinging axes or wrestling with timber. Just smooth, fast, and efficient splitting thanks to the hard ox head and 3-second cycle. This attachment isn't just about speed. It's about saving you time, energy, and reducing strain on your body. Whether you're a professional firewood producer or just need to process timber around your property, the hard ox head splitter makes the job easier and more enjoyable. Unbelievable power and efficiency. The HEM 593-R truck isn't just a machine, it's a wood processing monster. Its MAN 500 horsepower engine muscles through logs up to 22 inches thick. The massive 55-inch infeed and large diameter rotor with multiple blades means serious throughput. Easy Green Tech optimizes feeding for peak performance and fuel savings. Weighing in at over 25 tons and hitting 50 miles per hour on the road, this thing gets the job done, wherever you are. For mobile, high-volume chipping, this is the answer. Tired of slow, inefficient debarking? The MeBoard debarking line is your answer. This system is engineered for high performance and versatility, making wood prep a breeze. With models like the SLH1200 and SFH1200, handling large logs, up to 47 inches in diameter, is no problem. Think about the streamlined process. Debarking and log reduction in one system. Less material waste, faster turnaround, and a safer operation thanks to metal detection. Just because you can operate machinery doesn't mean you should. Seriously cool DIY engineering right here. Love the ingenuity and how efficient it looks at splitting wood. Gotta say, flexibility and performance seem top-notch for a backyard build. Just one thing though, that feed chute could use a serious extension. For real, safety first, folks. Keep those hands far away from the action zone. Overall, awesome machine, but let's boost that safety factor a notch, yeah? Wow, check out this wood splitter. Talk about smart engineering. They've designed this thing to run at 100% engine power. That's seriously impressive efficiency. If you're looking to maximize your output and minimize your time, this could be a game changer. Double drive, electric and gas engine, they've thought of everything. What do you guys think of this innovative design?
Від частотного перетворювача. Починаємо з маленького поліна.
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
1 до 40. Ну, все маленьке, то добре. Такі це. Щоб воно було отако, до. О, дуже гарно. Трошки. Також є виход 3 фази, 220. Ого, трохи лупнуло. Пучок перерізало.
Befiltromelt 2000 Vertzine is an efficient solution for firewood packaging and storage. Designed to streamline the process, this equipment utilizes a rotating drum mechanism. Firewood is placed in the drum and then tightly wrapped with netting or film, creating compact and easily managed bundles. This method ensures firewood remains dry and clean, simplifying transportation and storage while preserving wood quality. And that's why you hire a pro. This Peterson Pacific 5710C grinder is a beast. 1,050 horsepower cat engine and all. But seriously, watch how easily it handles those redwood scraps. And they admit it themselves. This video is just scratching the surface of what it can do. The Dansko grapple too. Imagine seeing this thing pushed to its absolute limit. Now that would be a video. Still impressive though, turning waste wood into power plant fuel. It's like watching nature and work come together in perfect harmony. Look at how gently that horse moves across the forest floor. It's like it's barely disturbing anything. And the quiet is just incredible. You can actually hear the sounds of nature. This is what it's all about, folks. Working with nature, not against it. So peaceful, so efficient, and so respectful of the environment. Absolutely beautiful to watch. Let me introduce you to a fantastic piece of equipment, an automatic sawing system for split wood. It's designed to handle logs up to 39 inches long, offering the flexibility to cut them into either 20-inch or 13-inch sections. The cutting mechanism features a robust 27.5-inch carbide circular saw, ensuring clean and precise cuts. With its hydraulic feed system, it's capable of processing an impressive 3 cords of wood per hour. This system streamlines the process of preparing firewood. Hey folks, check out this awesome wood splitter. Isn't it a beauty? But let's talk safety. I'm no expert, but wouldn't you agree that some solid stops on the corners would give us peace of mind? And how about some high visibility paint on those moving parts? Maybe some of that classic yellow and black tape, like you see on construction sites? What do you guys think? The 1270G equipped with the nimble H425 harvester. Its efficient design minimizes waste, ensuring maximum yield from each tree harvested. Consider this. A typical harvester might leave behind 10 to 15% of usable wood. The 1270 gigabytes reduces that to less than 5%. By optimizing resource utilization and reducing our footprint, this powerful duo helps us meet our needs responsibly, securing both our supply and the longevity of our forests. For those who appreciate fine craftsmanship, this 56-inch circular saw is a beautiful example of a tool built to last. Its robust design speaks to a time when durability was paramount. While modern saws offer convenience, there's an undeniable charm and efficiency to a well-maintained older model like this. It's a reminder that sometimes the tried-and-true methods are the best.
I'm also going to show you guys a couple passes involved.
Let's talk about efficiency and precision in firewood processing. The Czech-made Dominator BAKRA 500HK offers both. With its hydraulic system, requiring just 40 liters per minute, it's compatible with a range of loaders. The wireless remote simplifies operation, letting you adjust settings without manual labor. This machine, originating from a renowned European manufacturing hub, is a smart investment for any serious firewood producer for about $22,000. Felling large trees is a high-risk operation, demanding precision and expertise. Even seasoned lumberjacks, equipped with hydraulic-powered chainsaws and advanced felling techniques, face unpredictable challenges. A sudden gust of wind, an unseen internal rot, or a miscalculation in the notch cut can have serious consequences. It is how pros adapt and deploy their problem-solving skills that truly distinguishes the exceptional lumberjack.
Oh yeah.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the powerful partnership between human and animal, as exemplified by Hector and his handler. The subtle cues, the responsive movements. It's a language built on trust and mutual respect. It is incredibly special. This is a testament to the enduring value of traditional skills in a modern world. Working with animals like Hector requires patience, understanding, and a deep connection to the natural world. A tool that feels like an extension of your own arm? That's the Narva S23C. I was amazed by how they combined a featherweight design with the JP23 boom, extending reach up to 15.7 feet. They've simplified the hydraulics too. Can you believe it only needs one valve to function? Even with a hydraulic flow of just 10.6 gallons a minute, it's a powerhouse. It's a remarkable piece of engineering. Armando Augusto Silva, Lelda, understands the nuances of the wood chipping industry. It's not just about brute force, but the finesse of a well-engineered hydraulic system. They masterfully craft their machines in Portugal, a country known for precision engineering. Their chippers offer a symphony of power and control, a vital balance for any serious operation. Their approach ensures you get a machine that's both powerful and refined. Let your guard down for a second, and your wallet will take a serious hit.
Oh, man.
The Posh SpaltFix S350 offers a seamless firewood processing experience. Originating from Austria, this machine combines power and precision. With a 12-ton splitting force and a 13.8-inch diameter capacity, it effortlessly handles large logs. The intuitive joystick control ensures smooth operation, while the high-quality Whittier-tipped blade delivers clean cuts. It represents a significant yet worthwhile investment at approximately $38,500 for those seeking efficiency. Behold, the impressive operation at Columbia Vista Logyard. Massive trucks, overflowing with freshly cut timber. It's a symphony of logistics. First, the sheer volume is calculated, down to the precise board foot. Then, the expert sorting. A ballet of heavy machinery, separating each log by type and size. This is where raw power meets precision engineering, transforming the wilderness into a valuable commodity. Wow, look at this! It's a shingle maker they're using in Russia. Turns trees into roofing, just like that. Super clean cuts, and it looks pretty safe too. Impressive. Okay, so I've got to confess, I've watched that video like 10 times already. That jump cut was seriously insane. Introducing the TRV-1200L, the ultimate solution for turning wood waste into profit. This Italian-engineered machine boasts a powerful hydraulic system, a massive 21.65-inch blade, and intelligent PLC control for unmatched precision. Its independent pneumatic clamping system handles any wood scrap, while top-notch safety features like the rapid blade brake and unique safety door ensure operator peace of mind. Upgrade your wood processing with the TRV-1200L.
Все легко и просто.
The beasts have been unleashed, for now, but they're always ready for more. Fuel their hunger by subscribing and smashing that like button. Let us know in the comments which chainsaw screamed the loudest today. The revolution is just beginning. Join us.
Легко, блин.